Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add multiple audio tracks to CapCut video. Adding multiple audio cuts in CapCut is simple and effective. First, import your audio file, then split into selections by selecting the clip and using the cut tool. Each segment can be adjusted individually, letting you create seamless transitions or layer sound effects. If you'd like to add different audio files, just tap the plus button under the audio section, then choose and insert as many tracks as your device can handle. Arrange them on the timeline so they align with your video. To keep your edits clean, don't forget you can drag clips around, adjust volume levels, or even fade them in and out for smoother results. By cutting, stacking, and customizing these clips, you'll have a polished and professional audio mix, and that's how you add multiple audio cuts in CapCut. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.